3 ways to turn off TalkBack easily. Now, if you have accidentally turned on TalkBack, sometimes it can be difficult to switch it off. As you can see. Okay, so once you're on the home screen, it can be difficult. There are a number of different ways you can turn off TalkBack. If you have turned on Bixby, just long press on the side button to open Bixby. Turn off TalkBack. And you can ask Bixby to turn off TalkBack for you.
Okay, I turned it off.
And that's it. So now it's off. So I will ask it to turn back on again. Turn on TalkBack.
I need permission first. Should I turn it on?
Yes.
I turned it on.
Okay, so if you have assigned the button to other functions, then you can say, "Hi Bixby, turn off TalkBack." "Hi Bixby, turn off TalkBack."
Okay, I turned it off.
Okay, so another way without using any buttons is to issue a voice command to turn off TalkBack. Okay, the other method is to manually navigate to the settings menu to turn it off. So using 2 fingers, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon once, then double tap on it to go into settings. Now use 2 fingers to swipe up to go down. Once you have scrolled down, tap on the accessibility button once to select an item, and to go into the menu, you double tap. Then tap on TalkBack once, then double tap. Then tap on the talk button once, then double tap. Then tap on the turn off button once, then double tap. And that's it. Now it is off. So those are the 3 different ways how you can turn off TalkBack. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.